Hi and welcome back to the Lothian Valet channel. In this video I'm just going to show you the gun that I use for the power washer. Just a wee review on it and how I feel that it's been getting on in the last year. This one is the ST2600 from the Gleem detailing. The equivalent to what they've got on the website, it's the MTM SGS35, both are £85. They are cheaper, but then to the stand up to it, it's the other thing. Here we go. So I've been using this for the last year. I'll just pop you up. Yeah, so I've been using this for the last year. It's been a fantastic trigger. So I'm just nailing down just so I'm with you. I've had actually no problems at all. The only thing that I could say that I did have an issue was once I get a bit of grit in the back of the barrel. I just used a bit of water and rinsed it out, and that was it. It's been a fantastic gun. Again, if you want to collect one or get one, order one. I'll drop the links down below in the description. Please remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Even better, just let me know what gun you're using and where you got it from. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Hi, this one is the ST2600 Trigger.